Flame. Further uses see flame disambiguation. A flame from Latin flamma is the visible gaseous part of a fire. It is caused by a highly exothermic chemical reaction taking place in a thin zone. Very hot flames are hot enough to have ionized gaseous components or sufficiently density to be considered plasma. Flames of charcoal. So this is the flame of charcoal mechanism. Non-luminous well 1400 degrees centigrade, luminous 1200 degrees centigrade, dark zone 1000 degrees centigrade, blue zone 800 degrees centigrade, non-luminous zone 600 degrees centigrade. These are the zones in a candle flame. Color and temperature of a flame are dependent on the type of fuel involved in the combustion. As for example, when a lighter is held to a candle, the applied heat causes the fuel molecules in the candle wax to vaporize. If this process happens in inert atmosphere without oxidizer, it is called pyrolysis. In this state, they can then readily react with oxygen in the air, which gives off enough heat in the subsequent exothermic reaction to vaporize yet more fuel, thus sustaining a consistent flame. The high temperature of the flame causes the vaporized fuel molecules to decompose, forming various incomplete combustion products and free radicals. And these products then react with each other and with the oxidizer involved in the reaction of the following flame fire. One may investigate all the different parts of the flame from a candle with a cold metal spoon. Higher parts are water vapor, the result of combustion. Yellow parts is the middle or shoot down just next to the candle wick is unburnt wax. Goldsmiths use higher parts of a flame with a metallic blowpipe for melting gold and silver.